With Create Room, you can now have a student on one computer and another student on the other, and they can connect virtually. You can do this in a classroom. You can connect to your students during remote learning from anywhere in the world. All you need to do is create a link and send them to your users. Keep watching to see how it's done. This tutorial is going to show you how to use the Create Room feature. Select the lesson that you're working on. We're going to be working on identifying anxiety. Click the Create button. Have your Create options. Click on Create Room. This tab is now going to give you every option that you possibly have to create your virtual experience. Okay, so the amount of students that you're going to have in a single session, how many different sessions you want happening in a single time, and the place that they're all going to go. Okay, so for instance, as a single teacher, myself and a student, we would need one link to connect together. I would send that to the student, they would open it, and I would open it, and we would now be in the single virtual world together. All right, to do that, all you do is select two people and one link, and then hit Create. Okay, that's my one link. If I was to go back and hit Create Room, have 6 students, and I wanted 2 students to work together in different rooms, I would need 3 different links. So I would still say I want 2 players in a session, but I want 3 different links. So I'm going to click 3, and then I'm going to hit Create. Okay, those are my 3 links, 3 individual links. So 2 students are going to open this one, 2 students are going to open that one, and 2 students are going to open that one. You can copy these links and send them in Google Classroom. You could send them in an email individually. You can send them in the Google Hangout or even a Zoom and through a chat. But that's how that works. It's very simple. One thing I want to just talk about briefly is that you can get echo if the volume is very loud. So you're going to want to lower the speakers on your computer in order to make this really work well for everyone. We're going to show you what happens when you click the link, whether you're in school or remote, using Google Hangouts or Zoom. Please watch the following videos.